we'd like to introduce you guys to the new line of audio speakers that Razer is going to be announcing at CES. They're known as the RAZER NOMMO audio line. For starters, we have the RAZER NOMMO 2.0 speakers, $99. We have the chroma version of these at $129 that basically have chroma lighting around the base. And lastly, we have the RAZER NOMMO Pro at $499, which is our flagship for the speakers. It's THX certified with Dolby Virtual Speaker. Now, the thing about speakers in general is that we wanted to create speakers, gaming speakers that sounded great for everything, movies, music, and games as well. And basically, we designed these speakers from the ground up to have full range audio, whether it's the base level $99 version or the $499 version. And how we did this was basically to the different materials within the speakers. For example, the entry-level Nomo has got custom woven glass fiber drivers that really amplify clears and mids. It's got an elongated design that helps helps with airflow that comes up to the bass port for more consistent and solid sound. And in addition to that, every entry-level Nomo has got a bass knob. Now this bass knob is pretty interesting because what it does is it doesn't just amplify or reduce bass, it adjusts the EQ. So when you turn the bass down, your mids and your highs go up. When you turn the bass up, it adjusts everything evenly so that you get full range sound. And that's the Nomo and Nomo Chroma. So moving over to the Nomo Pro. The Nomo Pro is our flagship speaker. Straight away, what you notice is that it's got chroma lighting, obviously. It's got an independent tweeter that's silk woven that helps produce really smooth highs. It's got Kevlar woven drivers, again, to produce very solid, very rich mid-range audio. And then we have a subwoofer over here. The subwoofer is cylindrical, and the reason why we've designed it this way is because it helps channel airflow better. It's downward firing, so you get very, very consistent, very, very solid bass that does not have any low-end rumbling that you might see, for example, in other speakers. And it's not just that. So while we constructed them and designed them to be really, really great for games, movies, and music, they're great for games as well. Mainly because the entire range, first and foremost, has got accurate positional audio. So what this means is that we stick to true left and right stereo imaging to give a very, very accurate portrayal of where gunshots and footsteps, for example, are coming at you, the gamer. And that's across the entire line. For the Nomo Pro itself, we actually pulled out this tweeter. I mean, conventional speakers actually have just either one or two mid-range drivers, but we actually pulled out an independent tweeter because there's lots of minute audio details in gaming audio and sound effects that you don't exactly catch in mid and low-end sound spectrums, and that's what this tweeter does. It helps to bring out those sound effects, making it a more vivid experience. So that is the RAZER NOMMO Pro line. RAZER NOMMO, $99. RAZER NOMMO Chroma, basically the same thing, with a chroma lighting and a USB port, and the RAZER NOMMO Pro at $499. Full range gaming audio with certain features like true positional accuracy and independent tweeters for the Nomo Pro to adjust core gaming needs. That's it. Ready?
Good to go?
Yep. You can actually face forward so that the audio is right.
So you're saying this is a perfect distance from here?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
You want me to switch out the track?
Sure.
I've spent a lifetime running.
Do you have any gaming track, like actual gameplay tracks?
That would be at CES.
Okay. Does it matter if this is on carpet or whether it's on hardwood floor?
It would be fine if it's on the floor.
It should be hardwood floor?
Yeah,
That's the best?
Yeah, because there's actually a plate underneath.
Yeah.
So the air will hit the plate.
Yeah, because then that way it kind of just absorbs the vibration.
Yep. Alright, so I'm going to bring you through a quick Netflix demo right now.
Okay. on there.
Yeah, actually, you might need to hold the phone so that you can just watch it.
Yeah. So it's on. It's gonna be on
it's gonna
on
be
your
the
device.
phone.
Okay.
Yep. You might wanna.
Sure.
You can actually sit down.
Okay.
So I'll just.
Isn't contagious.
So this is to kind of showcase the THX cinematic soundscape.
Got
of
it.
The speakers.
Thank you.
Surprisingly angry. You're gonna make my hair.
Hey guys, do you see the...
Are you okay?
That's it. How does it sound?
I'm sorry. How much did you say these speakers
These
were?
are $499 USD.
That's pretty good.
And so again, so this is the control port. We have optical.
And what does this do?
It basically it gives you easy access to the different controls that the speaker
Got
has.
it.
This is a volume dial. It connects to you can switch between sources: optical, Bluetooth, analog 3.5 jack, and USB. And on Synapse, RAZER Synapse, which is basically our software platform, and on the mobile app on Google Play and Play Store, you can switch between THX, Dolby Surround, and you can even customize your EQ settings. So we give you full flexibility and versatility for these speakers. And
This feels really solid. It's just feels like it's well built.
and it's got a suction cup as well.
Also, the suction cups underneath it.
Yep, you just press it down and it kind of holds on your desk.
What? Not on this type of material, but cool. All right. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.